Hey guys, Trim Buddies here with Mike
and Chris.
Alright guys, so we got this blue bin here. It is our HO scale trains given to us. Used to belong to our cousin Greg. We haven't got these out in quite a while. I don't even remember exactly what cars and stuff we've got. We don't have a good space for this set in our house to be up all the time. So it's been in storage, but we're going to bust it out today while no one else is home and check it out for a bit before we got to put it back away.
Alright, here is the bin with our tons.
Here, Mike, it might be best if you bring it over here and put it on the floor. Put the bin on the floor in front of me. And then you got some big muscles there. We'll be able to put the cars on the table as we get them out.
Alright, so we got our controls in here.
Yep, you just slide that to the side.
We're gonna put all our cars in here and show them off. So
yeah, I think we've got some really cool ones in there.
yeah, I think these are track connectors. It says in there. Alright, we got a ATSF gondola.
Hey, why don't you go ahead and unbox it? Get it out for us so we can see it a little better. ATSF gondola, nice.
Got a train moving on the live cam in Covington, Kentucky right now. Right, we got a boxcar. Let's see. Chicago, Illinois. Chicago and Illinois Midland.
Here, go ahead and hold that up for me. Nice.
Alright, got the Katy boxcar.
Oh, Katy boxcar. Nice.
I do not remember some of these cars that we have.
Yeah, it's been a little while since we've had this out. It's been in storage, like I said, because we don't have a great spot.
Now this is a really nice.
I have this set up for long periods of time.
Katy, the doors even slide open.
Nice.
Nice detail on the roof. Got a little handbrake.
Oh yeah, really cool.
Fancy, good stuff. Weight limit
Yeah.
stuff.
Really nice.
Put that one in front.
Cool.
And then we got a Chicago Northwestern boxcar.
Yeah, there's a little bit of a glare from the sun in the window on the cellophane on those packages, so it's good that you're busting those out.
Nice CNW. Again,
Yeah.
doors also open. This one.
It's like a cattle car rather than a box car.
Yeah.
It's got the slats for the livestock to breathe.
This one was a really nice one.
Yeah, see that again? Hold it up for me. All the door slides open and shut on that one too. Nice.
Really nice detail on this one.
Indeed.
Alright, let's move on. Alright, next we got a chassis system B&O boxcar.
Caboose.
Yeah, no. I keep on saying boxcar because we have so many boxcars out. Caboose. Chassis system B&O caboose. Gonna take that out real quick.
Really sweet.
Chimney up there. Nice detail back here.
Can you show me some of the detail?
Yeah, we got a handbrake in here. Nice coupler. Some detail on the side of those trucks.
What's the symbol on there that looks like train tracks with a green cross? Do you know what that is?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure what that is either. Maybe if any of our viewers know, and you can drop a comment below.
Yeah, it's a really nice caboose.
It is a nice caboose.
Alright, on to the next car. We got The Rock boxcar.
The Rock Island line. The Rock Island line is the road to ride.
It's a really heavy one. It's got a piece of steel inside of the box.
Oh, weight?
Yeah, it's probably to keep it on the tracks nice.
That's sweet.
Again, the doors slide open.
Door get off track a little bit. You got it back on?
These are old. They're
yeah, a little older. I'm not sure how old they are.
They're not as old as.
They're not like antique.
They're not like our O-scale trains.
Yeah.
Those ones are definitely a lot older, but they're still really cool.
Sorry, I was looking at the box and not paying attention to what you were getting out. Sorry there.
Bachman, I think is that.
Bachman?
Some.
The CH makes a K sound.
Oh, this is.
Tanker car.
On both sides, yeah. So. GATX.
Niagara Falls, New York. Hawker? H-O.
Yeah.
Is that two O's in the middle or is that a C? I'm not familiar with that line.
Hawker, something.
Not sure. Nice.
It's a black one. Now, it does have some pretty good detail, but it's missing the little placard things.
Oh, the safety placard?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would have been really great detail, wouldn't it?
I bet maybe some of our other train cars have those on them. I'm not sure though. Got another tanker.
Exxon.
Silver, red and white. Black as well. Nice colors. Now if you have any other cool train cars that have little placards, that'd be awesome. Exxon, I think?
Exxon, yeah. Exxon Mobil.
Alright, let's move on. Another Santa Fe livestock car.
Yeah.
Slide that out.
I've always called them cattle cars, but yeah, and they're really for any livestock. Is it HSF?
Yeah, Santa Fe.
Atchison, Topeka, Santa Fe.
Yeah, that's what HSF stands for. I don't think these doors open. They look like they might, but they don't.
Yeah.
I think this one also has.
Well, actually, it looks like the door's sliding open a little bit on this side.
Oh, yeah.
It might just be a little stuck.
It's got a weight in there as well. Tracks. Alright. Let's see. What's this? Oh, Shell. Shell tanker. I have a wooden train version of this thing.
Yeah? Is it yellow just like that? Here, can you tilt it a little bit so I can see the detail on that? It's got some nice labeling. Can't says. The camera.
Shell oil. SCCX 2005 shell.
Really cool. Got some nice detail down here too.
Top as well.
Yeah.
Alright,
Really cool.
let's move on.
All right.
Let's see, got another tanker.
We went from our boxcar section to our tanker section of the
of the model trains.
Yep.
HO scale, right?
Yep. HO scale.
And pull that out. Liquid chlorine. It's a chlorine tanker.
Michigan.
Michigan.
Alkali Company? Liquid chlorine. That should have a safety placard on it, huh? In real life, anyway.
Got some, got some pretty cool tanker cars here anyways, even if they don't have all that detail. I think it's time to pull out some more stuff.
Another caboose.
I thought were gonna be engines, but we'll be getting to the engines soon. Atlas now. We're gonna go to Atlas.
Atlas brand.
Yep. It's just a plain yellow caboose. Does not want to come out of the box. We'll cut this out.
Oh, we don't need to. Sometimes stuff is, there we go. It might have been easier to take it out the back way. That's open on both sides.
Anyways,
Packaging is tricky sometimes.
just a plain yellow caboose. Still pretty cool though.
Yeah. Is it weighted? Here, hold it right there. I'm gonna get in on the handbrake there. Nice.
I don't
Really
think
cool.
it's weighted,
No?
but well, maybe a little. It's definitely a lot heavier than the chassis. Alright. Whoa, that's a nice car.
Canadian Pacific.
A real big Canadian Pacific boxcar.
Controlled temperatures. That's like a refrigerated car.
There we go. That one came out pretty nice.
That's a nice long one. Nice long car.
It's gigantic.
Yeah, comparison. Look at that.
Comparison.
Let's see the detail on it though.
Super awesome.
Canadian Pacific.
Controlled temperature.
Yeah, got the diagrams on there, or the limits on there. Looks like it says something on the door. I can't get a good focus on that.
I
Can
can't see it with my normal eyes either.
you? Yeah,
It's,
gotta use your abnormal eyes.
you got the ladder here.
Excellent. Walkway on the top,
Yeah.
handbrake. Really nice. How's the couplings on them?
Couplings and-
Seem pretty good.
Yeah. We'll figure out how to couple these later.
Getting down to the bottom there.
We're getting to the engines sooner or later.
That's our cuckoo clock. We are cuckoo for trains.
It's now 12 o'clock. This one is
Another refrigerated car. What's, hold on. Let me see that.
Northern Pacific.
Northern Pacific. Nice. That's pretty cool.
Walkway, handbrake.
Yeah.
Nice
It's another
detail.
long one.
Yep. So
Same
basically,
size. Pretty much.
yeah. Super close. All right. Now it's time. All right, these are our last two cars, I think. We're gonna do this one first.
Oh, Lackawanna?
Yep. Now boxcar.
We look pretty good on the boxcars. So far, we've got
We'll definitely have a
more.
boxcar.
Got boxcars, tankers, cabooses, gondola.
Lackawanna, opening doors,
Nice.
no weights. Nice detail as well.
Can I see the logo? Phoebe Snow. All right. Really cool. Put that up there.
To the smaller boxcar section.
Yeah, this train yard is heavy on the boxcars.
Oh yeah, we have this Burlington gondola. Put that next to the ATSF. So the Burlington route, which later merged with the Great Northern to create Burlington Northern. Then merged with Santa Fe to create the NSF.
Burlington Northern Santa Fe.
Burlington route.
It's covered. I didn't realize that when it was still in the box. Nice Burlington route logo there. Nice.
Really
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, covered gondola.
Yep. Oh, you can take
Oh.
that off. That's really cool.
That is really cool.
So
And then,
covered
like Michael was saying, the
Okay.
Burlington merged with the
Great
Northern,
Great Northern.
and then it merged with Santa Fe, which is the boxcar right behind there. Ended up being NSF.
All right, now I do not know where the engines are.
One of those gold boxes
It's probably the engine.
is the engines. It's the heavy one. See if you can feel a heavy one. I think it's probably
It's
that one.
definitely this one.
Yeah, I could.
Oh, this.
A little,
Like some railing or something?
yeah, maybe it goes on one of these cars. I don't see any
Maybe.
with.
It looks more like an engine.
Yeah, maybe it goes on the nose of an engine.
Oh, nice. We got a Conrail.
Here, pull it out, pull it out, pull it out.
I'm
Let's see
working
them.
on it, Dad.
All right.
Really, really heavy. Gosh, that's
Yeah?
super heavy. Conrail 7940.
Nice.
Something in GPs or SDs, not sure.
Let's see the front. Let's see the nose. Let's see the back.
Horns up here. Nice.
Was that railing, hand railing, white? I wonder if that white hand railing that you just had goes on the
Yeah,
front,
it's what probably goes up there.
goes on the nose, maybe. Well, we can figure that out later.
Kind of like that.
Yeah, that would make sense.
Yeah.
Nice.
It doesn't snap on.
See
though.
the number plates on the front and everything.
Yeah, they don't say anything, but they're still pretty cool.
Oh no, they don't, do they? Got horns on there. Can you see the door on the nose? I couldn't tell.
And then the door,
Yeah.
these ones have doors up here.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
Looking
Of course.
inside of the cab, I don't see anything fancy inside there.
No.
All right, fans up here. I wonder if they spin. Some of them do.
Yeah.
This is a powered locomotive, by the way. It's not a.
Oh, look at the back. Is the coupler missing?
Oh yeah.
That might be.
Maybe we'll have it leading long hood forward,
Yeah, that's a good.
or just
Uh,
trailing. I don't know.
It's a good suggested
I'm not an
solution,
expert
Michael.
on model trains, so I'm not sure if the powered ones are made for trailing. Oh, we got another caboose here.
All right, what kind? Penn Central. Nice.
Something in there.
It sounds like a weight.
And then a insanely gigantic Amtrak.
Wow.
That is big. It's the old Amtrak paint scheme.
Yeah. I think that's how we should paint your room.
Number 235.
It's got a door on the back there to the engine room.
Yep.
Door on the front to the cab. Really nice.
On the top, we got a horn up here. One facing forward, one facing back.
Can you show me the? There we go. Tilt it a little. Yeah, it's hard.
It's hard to see.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, that's really
How's
awesome.
how's the couplers on those?
Couplers, back one intact, front one intact.
Nice.
Really nice. giant that thing is. Sadly, we don't have any passenger cars though.
No passengers.
Oh.
Alright.
Any more?
I think those are all just track, so
This one is pretty heavy.
alright, you can peek, but I'm 90% sure the rest are just track.
Yep. Alright guys, we're gonna do some track setting up. See you in a little.
We got the track all laid out. Michael's putting some cars on. Gonna give it a rolling test.
That's really nice.
Yeah, you guide it all.
I'm gonna guide it all around the track and see if there's any defects.
It's a good idea.
Yeah, I think we're actually good.
All right, cool.
Alright guys, this is putting on some cars on the fancy car adding piece that gets the wheels aligned with the tracks. Some cars here. Fit nicely together. There we go. And a couple on other. It's gonna be like a small mixed freight today for our first train, and then we're gonna test the Amtrak out. So I'm really excited for this Conrail. Alright, they're coupled. And then we'll add a quick boxcar. Canadian Pacific controlled temperature. And then a caboose.
This shell only got a coupler on one side.
Alright, so we'll just set that aside. Sadly, our shell tanker is broken. It's missing a coupler. And then we'll add a caboose and show you how it couples. Let's see. What should this be? Penn Central this. Oh, this one doesn't even have a coupler.
We're gonna have to do a little research and figure out how to repair some HO cars.
Yeah. Alright, so this thing. Coupling cam here. We're gonna
Coupler cam. Together just like that.
and then we're gonna pull it back and add on an engine. What do you think, Dad? Conrail or Amtrak?
Well, which one has the better couplers on it to start with?
Probably Amtrak. Can actually lead.
All right. Well, here. Tell you what. Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
Before you get all the power on there, we need to go back and connect our power, the electric, to the track. I'm gonna do it right up in here. So if you wanna
Take this off.
roll our rolling stock up around the other bend, I'll get the power connected over here.
Alright.
All right, we got the power connected. Mike's rolling the. Wow, derailment. Oh, that's right where I put the power. I wonder if that's related. All right, let's check that out.
It's because they keep pulling away from each other slowly.
Yeah. All right. All right, Mike's getting our lead engine on the rails there. Nice conductor work backing it up. Are we coupled?
Yep.
All right. And back here we've got the power connected to the track. Follow this wire all the way over here to our dual pack. Yeah, so looking at this, cab 1, Michael and I believe is engine number 1, which is we only have one right now.
Maybe we'll try 2 engines later.
So let's see. All right, we're going to start with the master switch. That's going to give it's going to give us power to everything. You can hear it humming a little bit.
Yep.
All right, go ahead with try cab 1. All right, we'll try cab 2, see if that's. Oh, all right, so cab 2 they gave us a little jerk on the train. Why don't you go check the connections, Mike?
Alright.
I'll stay here with
Maybe we should try to start it moving on the wire.
No, just make sure it's connected. I can hear the engine getting power.
Oh.
I decoupled it so we could try to figure out our engine. Here, let's see if we get better results with Conrail. I can hear the engine buzzing like it's getting power, but somehow it's not going. All right, we're getting Conrail on tracks here.
We're hoping this Conrail will give us some luck.
Sounds like it rolls pretty smooth. Here, don't couple it yet. Why don't we see if we can get the Conrail to move?
Move on this end.
Yeah. Okay, but yeah, that's not enough to ruin the contact. All right. Turn the master switch on. Just keep. You're getting power. Let's see if we try switching directions. Something's not right.
Can I check the axles real quick?
Yeah. Check out anything you want. See if we can get this working.
Alright, try it to roll it now.
So it's getting power. Hi, Stella. It's getting power, but it's not moving. All right, it pops the cab cover off here. So the shaft is spinning there. Getting power, the shaft is spinning. Somehow it's not converting. This is spinning, but somehow it's not converting to power down on the wheels.
Oh, it moved.
I saw it move briefly. Yeah, something that's just not... Got a little crack there. I don't know if that's affecting anything.
I do not know either. We're not model train experts. We haven't been doing this for a while, like other model train YouTubers. Well, we're not model train YouTubers, but other model train guys.
Yeah, but see, the light bulb's even lighting up. Light bulb's lighting up. It's spinning. It's just not converting to power on the wheels on the trucks. All right, we're not having any luck with the Conrail, unfortunately. We got Amtrak on there. Is that mounted nice, Mike? The trucks and the wheels are on the track.
You want me to give it some power?
Yeah, you want to do the controller? That'd be great. Get some movement on an engine. All right, go ahead and give it a go. Oh,
it's working.
We got movement. All right. Go ahead and
Switch directions.
No, go ahead and back it up into your cars.
And it's moving forward too.
Yeah. All right.
Moving nice and slow.
Yeah. See if you can roll it.
And now it's not working.
All right. Little temperamental. We'll hopefully get it going. All right. Here we go. We're hoping to, here we go. Oh no, run away engine. Go ahead, Michael, just drive. Got cars. It's certainly not smooth. We've gotten several complete loops since you saw us last. I remember when a kid, we used to take our erasers to the tracks, make sure the tracks were clean. So I cleaned the wheels on the Amtrak engine. Some isopropyl alcohol, Q-tips, and a toothpick. There's a lot of buildup in there, but it's not the smoothest. But we're making some laps, so maybe we'll try to hook some cars up, that I was about to say. All right, we've done a little bit more fine tuning, and we made some successful laps. Michael just coupled on some box cars and a chassis caboose back there, and we are gonna give it hopefully a successful run. Let's go, Mike. Whoa, yeah. Oh, decoupled. While the engine was rolling. Oh, nice moves. Here, I'm gonna just use my hand. All right. So we've got two cars on there. Oh gosh.
It's really strong.
It is. So anybody who told you that model railroading is easy, it takes some work. All right, there it goes with some cargo. Oh, all right.
We lost a car, but
And there she stops. Well, guys, it hasn't been the smoothest day on the rails, but we got our engines moving.
The Amtrak moved for a little.
Yeah, we got it. Made some progress, but hasn't been an easy day on the rails. But got to see some pretty cool model train cars. That was cool. There's some cool stuff in there.
Maybe we'll make a O-scale video instead, or
we keep our O-scale set up all the time.
it goes around
Actually,
the plants.
it goes around our
Right
little
there.
plants right there.
I could fire it up right now.
Do it up, Michael.
All right, here's our Lionel steam engine.
It's in neutral. Give it more power. Do it now. Give it power. You gotta give it juice, Mike.
I don't know, I'm giving it 15.
That's it. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe.
Yep. We appreciate all of you. Thanks for watching.
Train Buddies out.
Train Buddies out.